All right, this is going to be a really good find on this 2018 Kia Forte. Different shop changed the engine and they brought it to us because Bigel keeps on installing on in the parking lot. Every time you put it in reverse, it stalls, or when you're parking, it stalls, but it doesn't stall in high speed. So we open the valve cover and we find out that the chain was loose. So now we decided to see what's going on inside here, maybe change the tensioner and stuff, but we find out that somebody have worked on it before, and somebody put zip tie on it, like to hold the guides. This is just something, it's a technology. Look at that. It's a pro mechanic, they said. So what a creation. Actually, this is, some kind of junkyard people will actually do this, and you think it's smart thing to do, but if that one there give up, like this one in here, let's say he cut because the chain is running, it'll get chewed up, and then later on it'll get eaten, and then it's just gonna break inside. Wow. Something. Never seen that before. Actually, if you think about it, it's smart. Peace out.